I'm Chris Lawson of Online Drawing UK, a unique online architectural service. We've put together this step-by-step guide so you can self-survey your home and save yourself money. Then from your survey, we can redesign your home with you and then gain all necessary approvals. In order to complete your survey, you'll need a mobile phone for photographs so you can email them directly to us, a standard tape measure, pencil so you can write the dimensions in millimeters and rub out any errors, and a clipboard or the back of a notepad to sit our survey pad. Okay, when we start drawing off our plans, we just want to do basic shapes, basic squares most houses contain, and then we're going to go back over and detail on things like the door, just a simple little diagram, straight line showing the swing as it goes around, show any chimneys in the room, any windows can be annotated with W. All we need to produce the size of the inside is the lengths and recesses jutting out, as you can see there. Every length of wall, every length of window. To the nearest 5mm is absolutely fine, right alongside the dimensions that you measure. Just check what the wall's made of. A simple knock will tell you whether it's solid or hollow. When we're measuring doors or windows, we're going to go between the reveal. Then we want to measure the height as well. So we measure the door height internally, and then we're going to measure the reveal over the top of it. Measure the inside recess to the window. Give us an idea of wall thickness by measuring across the internal width of the door frame. When measuring the heights of windows, we need to see the bottom of the sill to the floor, the height of the window itself, and over the window. Write clearly on the pad 3 heights: underside, window height, overside. Next, sketch out your stairs. You don't need to draw the handrails and all the detail, just a simple light line to indicate. Count how many risers there are. Risers are the times you step up. Clearly state the risers with an R and the number. Measure the width between the walls of the stairs. Measure a clear starting point for the stairs. When we go upstairs, it's all the same principles again in reverse. Draw out the stairs. We need a starting point and to the bulkhead and a width of balustrading. Just like we got the start of the stairs on the ground floor, we need the end of the stairs on the first floor, so we can determine by division the number of goings there are. Outline your elevation. Some reference width dimensions to go on the plan. Measure to the underside of the door. This will determine the floor level. Measure from the bottom of the threshold to the top of the door externally. All heights can be wrote on the outline of the drawing. Some reference width dimensions can be used. Just like inside, we take reference heights from the outside. And don't worry if you can't do the Indian snake routine with your tape measure, as a reference of bricks, as we'll show you, will work fine. To avoid unnecessary lengthening of the tape, you can pick a point on the elevation to measure to. So we can go down to up to the 1 point, and then we can measure from the underside of the sill to that point too. And just show the break of division on your survey sheet. References to boundaries and heights and drain pipes will be useful in designing. Reference to the centre point of down pipes and soil vent pipes. A reference of brick lengths and heights if necessary. We measure across end to end and over the top, 2 courses. Write clearly on the side of the elevation, 2 courses and 2 bricks. In order to give us a real feel for your property, please take clear and concise photographs, front, side and rear elevations, any site details, boundaries and trees.